A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development in the ongoing legal saga surrounding former President Donald Trump, a federal judge has unsealed a detailed motion from Special Counsel Jack Smith. This 165-page filing outlines the evidence against Trump in relation to his alleged efforts to undermine the 2020 election results. The motion, made public by Judge Tanya Chutkan, comes just weeks before the former president is set to face off against Vice President Kamala Harris in the 2024 presidential election, adding a layer of urgency and complexity to the situation. Smith argues that despite a Supreme Court ruling in July granting Trump presumptive immunity for actions taken while in office, he can still be prosecuted for his attempts to overturn his electoral loss. The special counsel's filing asserts that Trump's actions post-election were not part of his official duties as president, but rather a private conspiracy aimed at maintaining power through illegal means. When the defendant lost the 2020 presidential election, he resorted to crimes to try to stay in office, Smith stated in the filing. He elaborated that Trump, along with co-conspirators, engaged in a series of desperate plans to alter the legitimate election results in several states. The timing of this unsealed motion has sparked allegations from Trump's campaign, suggesting that it was a strategic move to distract from the recent debate performance of Democratic vice presidential nominee Tim Walz. Trump campaign spokesman Stephen Chung accused the Justice Department of being weaponized against Trump in a bid to retain power. The filing presents a wealth of evidence that federal prosecutors plan to utilize if the case proceeds to trial. Among the revelations is an incident from November 4, 2020, where a Trump campaign employee allegedly attempted to create confusion regarding the vote count in Detroit, which was unfavorable to Trump. When informed of a batch of votes favoring Biden, the co-conspirator reportedly urged, "Find a reason it isn't," indicating a willingness to pursue litigation based on misleading information. Additionally, the filing highlights interactions between Trump and former Vice President Mike Pence, who tried to persuade Trump to accept the election results. Pence's efforts included suggesting that Trump view the election not as a loss, but rather as an opportunity for a future comeback. However, Trump's responses indicated his reluctance to concede, even as the election was called for Biden. Rudy Giuliani, a prominent figure in Trump's post-election strategy, is also heavily featured in the filing. The special counsel alleges that Giuliani sidelined campaign staff who presented factual information about the election results, opting instead to propagate false claims of widespread voter fraud. This led to public rebukes from within the Republican Party, including a notable instance where Giuliani's claims were directly contradicted by Justin Reamer, then chief counsel of the Republican National Committee. Giuliani's aggressive tactics reportedly included threatening fellow Republicans who contradicted his narrative, and the filing claims that he pressured Reamer to resign after expressing discontent with his statements. As the legal proceedings unfold, the implications for Trump are profound. If he secures the presidency again in 2024, he could potentially influence the direction of the Department of Justice, including the ability to dismiss any criminal cases against him. However, Smith's filing emphasizes that Trump's actions were personal and not part of his presidential duties, insisting that he should face trial just like any other citizen. This legal battle not only raises questions about Trump's future but also poses broader implications for the integrity of the electoral process and the accountability of public officials. With the election just around the corner, the stakes have never been higher, and the nation watches closely as the situation develops. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.